Hi everyone, Alice here from Tanio TV, and today we are going to be making a willow dream catcher.
For your dream catchers, you will need some willow sticks, you will need some string to make your netting, and you will need some feathers. But you don't need to use feathers, you can find stuff in the forest area, so you could find leaves, pine cones, whatever you want to hang off it. Okay, so I'm going to start by making a circular shape. I'm using fresh willow today, but you could use sticks from hazel, sycamore or dogwood trees. And we're going to bend the willow into a circular or teardrop shape. As you can see here, that's more teardrop. It doesn't really matter which shape you want to go with. So we're going to bend it round and then try and get it as small as you can. I'll go with a teardrop, I think, today. And I'm going to feed through the rest of the branch to wrap it around the shape like this by pulling it in and out of the middle. Then we are going to take another stick, and especially with the teardrop, if you can take the thickest end to match the other thick end that you've used, and you're going to again pull the willow stick through your shape like this. Keep doing that. Okay, and then tuck these short ends in if you can. And again the other side. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to make a net like we've got here and we've got here. And you do that by taking a very, very long piece of string. Okay, and if you want to tie your top bits together, you can use the string to do that, to make it a little bit more secure. There we go. Now the key here is to make the string nice and tight. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to different sides of the Dreamcatcher and pull your string and wrap it around a couple of times, making sure it's tight, and go to a different edge of your circle or teardrop, as it is in this case. Pull it tight there, and then we'll go back over this side. Now if a stick has one side of the stick is torn out, you can tie it into place by using that. So again, nice and tight, and keep going until you start making. You can, if you want, weave the string in and out, but keep going until you get your net pattern. See now there's a nice net forming. The net is what's going to catch your good dreams and keep them. Any bad dreams we'll get rid of for you. As you can see here, we're coming to the end of the string. You can, if you want to do more netting, you can tie more string onto the end of it. That's fine and can carry on. But I'm quite happy with what we've got at the moment. So as tight as you can now, try and make a double knot to secure it in place. got there. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a nice net shape. I'm going to cut that bit off at the top. I'm going to use a little bit more string to tie at the top so we can hang it. And then all that's left to do is to hang off our feathers or our leaves, if you've got leaves or whatever you want to hang down from your Dreamcatcher. Take 4 pieces of string, just tie it over the end. You can tie it in whatever way you want. This way, so you've got 4 pieces hanging down. I'm going to tie 4 feathers to the end of it. Okay, and there is our willow Dreamcatcher.